Stop by and take a look at the 2019 RS5. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 2.9-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, front spoiler, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension type, strut, sports suspension, regenerative braking system. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, airbags, front knee, upholstery, contrast stitching, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, Audi Connect satellite communications,